Have you ever sent money on Zelle and felt that little jolt of worry right after you hit send? That brief moment where you wonder, did I just send this to the right person, and what if this is a scam? You're not alone. With millions of people using Zelle for everything from splitting a dinner bill to paying rent, it's an incredibly convenient tool. But that convenience also makes it a target for scammers. The thing is, once you authorize a payment on Zelle, it's like handing someone cash. It's fast, and it's usually gone for good. So, how can you protect yourself and your money? It all comes down to a few key habits that make you a digital safety pro. First, and this is the most important rule of all, only use Zelle with people you know and trust. It's designed for peer-to-peer payments between friends, family, and trusted colleagues. It's not for buying concert tickets from a stranger on the internet or paying for a used item on a marketplace. Unlike other payment platforms, Zelle does not offer purchase protection, so if that item never shows up, you have very little recourse. Second, always double-check the recipient's information before you send money. A single typo can send your funds to the wrong person, and remember, that payment is instant. Verify their phone number, email, or Zelle handle to ensure it's the right person. A quick text or phone call to confirm is always a smart move, especially for larger amounts. Next, beware of anyone who tries to create a sense of urgency or fear. Scammers love to pressure you into acting fast before you have time to think. This could be a text that looks like a fraud alert from your bank, a fake call claiming your account has been compromised, or a so-called prize that you need to pay a fee to claim. Your bank will never ask you to send money to yourself or to anyone else to reverse a fraudulent transaction. Hang up and call your bank directly using the number on their official website or the back of your debit card. Lastly, protect your personal information. Use strong, unique passwords for your banking app and enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for someone to access your accounts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.